Do you want to know how to remove accounts from Messenger? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Now just go ahead and open your Messenger app right here and click on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from here scroll down a bit and you should be able to see switch account option. So tap on that and this is where you can see all the accounts you have logged in. If you want to delete a certain account, for example I want to delete this, you can just swipe left to that specific account you want to remove and click on the trash icon right here. And this is how you can remove accounts from your Messenger. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we do love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.